welcome to another edition of Cooking with G Kev. Today I'm going to be cooking another super simple recipe, steak fried rice. Today's ingredients, of course, white rice, usually a day old or a couple days old and cold so it'll separate easy. Most people put peas and carrots or whatever in their steak fried rice. I'm just putting broccoli in mine today. Pre-seasoned steak, some green onions, 2 eggs, a regular onion, and soy sauce and sesame seed oil. Super simple ingredients. Okay, to a hot pan with some olive oil in it, you want to cook your steak to about a medium. You don't want to overcook it because again you're going to add this to your mixture at the end. I'm using olive oil this time. You can use avocado oil or grapeseed oil. That'll also work to cook your steak. Okay, after cooking the steak for about maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you want to add your vegetable. Again, I'm using broccoli today. You can put whatever vegetable of your choice that you like. Peas, carrots, whatever you want to add is okay. Give it a good mixture. Again, you don't want to overcook your steak. Let your vegetables get about al dente. After about good maybe 5 to 6 minutes, the steak and the broccoli is ready to be transferred to a plate. Now it's time to scramble your eggs. I'm using 2 eggs today. You can use more eggs if you like more eggs in your steak fried rice. After getting a nice medium scramble on your eggs, you want to incorporate your onions, your green onions, and your red onions. As you can see, it's really super simple. Add a little bit more olive oil so your onions and eggs can cook. Again, letting your onions and your eggs get al dente. This is when you add your rice. Again, using 1 day old rice or even maybe a week old white rice really works better when cooking steak fried rice. It separates a lot more easier and incorporates into your dish better. You want to give it a nice good stir, nice mixture as your rice is getting heated back up. All right, add your soy sauce, about maybe a teaspoon. Again, all the measurements going to be in the description below. Add more rice if you want, depending on how many people you're going to feed. I'm adding a little bit more rice to kind of even out the amount of steak. It's important to have a good steak to rice ratio. It gives your dish more of a balanced appeal to it. Here I'm adding the sesame seed oil, about a teaspoon. Giving it another mixture. As you can see, the rice is really turning a nice brown texture with the addition of the sesame seed oil. Cook this for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Like I said, now you want to add back into your pot your steak and your broccoli. Again, this is going to cook the steak and the broccoli a little bit more. That's why you didn't want to overcook it before. And this is going to cook or fry for about maybe 5 to 6 minutes so all your flavors can incorporate within each other. The aroma coming off of this already is really good. All right, after about 7 to 8 minutes of cooking. Time to serve it up on a plate and give it a taste test. Delicious. Again, super simple. Took maybe 25 to 30 minutes to prepare. Again, all the ingredients and measurements is going to be in the description below. Just the right amount of onions, season them. And the good thing, any rice that you have left over, you can keep it, use for other dishes, or you can make another batch of steak fried rice whenever you like. Well, there you have it again. Another super simple recipe. Like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you on the next video.